How to remove a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the color workspace. On the right side of the screen, you will see the nodes panel. Each node can have different effects and one of them could be a LUT. Next, click on the node where you applied the LUT. If you are not sure which node has the LUT, select each clip one by one. Look for a small grid icon inside the node box. That icon means a LUT is active on that node. To remove the LUT, right-click on the node and choose Reset Node Grid. This will remove all the color changes, including the LUT. But if you want to keep your other color work and just remove the LUT, click on the LUT drop-down menu. Then go to LUT and choose No LUT selected. This way your LUT will be removed, but other adjustments will stay the same. Finally, check your video preview to confirm the LUT is removed and your colors look normal again. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.